It's actually coming apart from where the hardwood is laid down, and I don't like this metal separator. I don't know what you call it. Hardwood. Okay, well, whatever this is, I don't like that it's separated. Would you like to explain this to the class?
No, you go ahead. You got it.
Okay. And then maybe the peanut gallery should stay away. Welcome back to another video. This is officially the home renovation video you all have been waiting for. I am so excited for you guys to follow along with us. This has been such a fun process. Definitely, you know, things take longer than you ever anticipate them taking with renovations, and I experienced that firsthand. These videos are going to be in a series. This is the before and the shopping and the demo portion of the series. So we'll be taking you along with us as we do all those things. This one will be slightly longer than the rest of them, so just bear with us or feel free to click through the video. We will be linking everything in the description box below if we can still find it, if it's all still available for you guys. If you'd like to know about, you know, prices on things, maybe we can discuss that. We'll see. Also, big shout out to Hunter, my husband, who does, you know, home building and renovation for a living. I deferred to him on everything in this entire project, and it's been such a joy to share this with him. And, you know, now we want to do so many other things to our house. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe. It helps me so much with viewership and getting these videos traction and getting people to see them on the internet. And I hope you guys like it. All right, let's jump on in. We're going to be retiling the, thank you, fireplace. Again, super outdated tile, really gross. We're going to be taking all this tile surrounding the fireplace. Oh, hi, Ruby. And we're going to take all this out, and Hunter is going to be retrimming this all along here. And it's going to look so good.
A brand new haircut.
Yeah, it's going to be sexy, huh? Mm-hmm. Isn't that right, Ruby? But yeah, it's going to look super good. All right, so this is the before. This is the front entryway tile that we are going to be replacing. It has been just so gross since we moved in. Like, I have scrubbed these tiles so hard and I cannot get them clean. I don't like this, and they're just dated and it looks like it's from the early 2000s or something, and it just looks really bad. I'm so excited to replace this. So yeah, that's the entryway. All right, and this is the powder room. Lights are out. Very, very simple, nothing crazy. It's getting completely repainted. We're ripping this out. We're ripping out this old toilet that is gross. These
disgusting,
nasty floors that have literally been this color. I'm not even kidding. Since we moved in, I can't get the color out. Like, it's just gross. So I'm not going to focus on that too much. But we seriously can't get the colors out of the floor or anything. We're ripping this out. We're going to replace this fixture. We're going to do all new hardware. I'm going to repaint the walls a different color. And I'll probably keep the ceiling white though. And this is going to get fixed, and we've got to get a knob to match the hardware that we got put in on the hinges. No.
Oh.
And look who's going to be doing everything tonight for us. He's going to be taking out all these things so that yours truly can paint this weekend while he's gone. All right, y'all, we are about to head into the tile shop here in Franklin. We're going to pick out some tile that we saw online for the bathroom. And we've been going around to Lowe's, and we went to Home Depot, Floor and Decor. And we've been ordering a bunch of stuff for the bathroom, and it's so exciting. We are going to take you inside with us. This place is so cool, by the way. Like, new favorite store. I'm at Lowe's. I just picked up our light and some paint swatches. I'm so excited. We start demo tonight. I'm gonna hit the gym real quick, make some dinner, and then Hunter's gonna take out, and I'm gonna help him take out the sink, toilet, cabinet, light fixture, and the mirror so that I can start painting tonight. Woo! You wanna explain to the people what you're doing, babe?
I'm patching the holes from where we took that cabinet down.
What are you using to patch them?
Just spackle, because it's all I got. Last minute.
This is one thing that we didn't think about too much.
I did. I thought you got some.
Says the home builder and renovator to the person that's never done this before.
What do you do for a living?
Work in plastic surgery.
Okay.
So he's gonna put this on tonight.
You're gonna have to sand it while I'm out of town.
I know. So that I can paint it tomorrow. I'll have to sand it down. I'll have to get myself a little sanding block.
I thought I did. No, there's one in there. I think I have one.
Oh, okay. So he's patching all these little bits, and then that's where the mirror was, right up here. We're gonna figure out if we're gonna keep it or if we're gonna have to hang it lower. I don't know, because the light fixture is turned the other direction that we got. But we're gonna keep the towel ring there. And yeah.
Double check and make sure I got you a block.
I don't know what that's called.
It's a nail pop.
A what?
A nail pop. It's where the screw is loose. And you can see it busted the drywall out. And so the dot is around here somewhere that fell out. So I put a screw in next to it, and I'm going to put one above it, and I'm going to pull this piece of drywall tighter. Because you want to see how this one's indented? This one's sticking out where it's flush. So it's got to go in tighter.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this one out. See how it's loose? I'm going to leave it out, and I'm going to put new ones above and below it. And see how I've got another one here I got to fix before it goes back. Luckily it'll be behind the mirror. You'll never see it, but I'm just going to fix it.
Okay, so Hunter just took out the pedestal sink that was in there before.
It was glued.
And this
So,
is what,
totally
sorry,
drywall.
I've been cooking. This is what it left when he removed it. And as you can see, it's like totally messed up all the drywall. And anyways, he's gonna patch it and repair it. So you wanna tell the people what you're gonna do?
I'm just going to cut it out and put a new piece in.
A piece of what?
Drywall.
Okay.
That's all you can do. I mean, you can't patch that.
And he left me, he like took his knife and cut across where he's gonna have to patch it with drywall. He'll just have to do it himself. Just so I know while I'm painting what he's gonna be fixing. So I guess he said he's
And
gonna...
then another nail pump. When I tried to pull the pedestal stink out, it was glued. And so, pull that one. But anyway, I'll patch it tomorrow probably before I leave.
How long do you think that would take?
Cutting it out, putting a new piece in, like 10 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
How long do you expect it to take?
I don't know, honey. This is for me and all the people
Oh,
who don't
that's
know.
right. It's new to you. This is what I do every day.
That's nice.
I know.
Okay, look at this bathroom. We have just the light to take out. But oh my gosh, everything's been ripped out. It's crazy. Right, so I'm here at Lowe's. I came to get the paint because I'm starting painting tonight. But so Hunter brought a ladder home so that I could paint the bathroom. He got home and left the house at 2 to go out of town for the weekend this weekend, and I got home at 5, and by the time I got home, broad daylight, someone came on our back porch and stole the ladder. And there's a lot of shit on that porch right now. Like, we have the old toilet, and we have the old sink and a broken water heater. It's kind of junked out, honestly. We have our grill, table and chairs that we usually sit in, a nice mirror, like a whole bunch of stuff back there that no one's ever taken. And literally for 3 hours, no one was at the house in broad daylight this afternoon. And someone came and took the freaking ladder. So here I am at Lowe's getting not only paint, but a ladder, which I did not know how expensive they are nowadays. Silly me. But yeah, I'm about to go in. We picked a color, and I will be kind of doing a little montage of me painting the bathroom this weekend. This is the color we went with, Courtyard. It looks really good in yellow light, which is what we're gonna use. Okay, I'm being a little naughty and I'm in the Chick-fil-A line. But I got in case you don't know that you can do this, I got a spicy chicken deluxe sandwich, but instead of the sandwich with the bread, I get it as a lettuce wrap, which essentially what they do is they put it in like a bowl that they serve their soup in, and then they just wrap it and put lettuce on both sides and put it in a little container for you. And I got pepper jack cheese and Chick-fil-A sauce on the side. I didn't get fries. I'm very proud. And I just got a water and not a Coke because I tend to get Coke when I come here. I just wanted to show this paint in better light. It is Courtyard by Sherwin-Williams. It has a little bit of primer in it, so you don't necessarily need to prime before you paint. It doesn't have a ton of primer, but because we put it down over a super light gray wall, I didn't need to put a layer of primer down. And I got it in the satin finish, so it's not a semi-gloss, it's not eggshell or whatever. It's not super matte, it's not really glossy, it's just that perfect in the middle, so satin finish. And yeah, super gorgeous, exact color we were looking for. I'm so excited. I took my rings off. Well, my wedding rings, but like, just beautiful. I mean, gorgeous, perfect, love. Okay, so it's day 3 of painting the powder room bathroom, and I'm so ready for this to be over. I'm just like sick of painting this damn bathroom. Anyways, the color turned out perfect. I need a shower, I need to wash my hair. I'm not showing you downstairs because it is just a mess. Everything pulled from the bathroom and stuff that's going into the bathroom is here, and there's just like stuff literally everywhere, and it's stressing me out because I can't handle the clutter. But anyways, it'll get fixed. Yeah, I'm about to put on the 3rd coat of paint, and then the painting should be done. I think I've got a few little touch-ups, but other than that, painting should be done. We'll demo this next week. It's Sunday. by the way. When I'm filming this, I started Friday night, and Hunter is on his way home from out of town, and so it should all be done by the time he gets here. So I'm eating some chocolate to give myself some fuel to finish painting. But anyways, just thought I'd give everyone an update. I'll show it when it's done. Right, she is done being painted. She is drying, thank the Lord. It's just a nail in the wall. But yeah, yes, there are some little imperfections, and that's totally fine. But I'm super excited. Yes, this light will come out. But anyways, I'm obsessed with this color. Like, okay, ignore that little splotch on the ceiling. I just did that. But I think we both really like it, huh? Yes, ma'am. Let me know what you guys think of the color. So excited about it. Hey y'all, just wanted to give you an update. You can probably hear it in the background. We are doing a little bit more demo on the tile. There's some glue residue, don't know the name. I'm not the expert here, Hunter is, but he and his friend Derek, shout out to Derek, thank you, are just taking that glue up with this really cool tool that rather than having to chip at it little by little with a hammer and the chisel, it just scrapes it all up, and it's electric and it's super loud. So sorry about that if that's in the background of this video, but I'm going to show a clip here of what they're doing before they start laying down the tiles. I'm so excited. We were expecting this project to be done at the end of March, or I'm sorry, at the end of March, and here we are just starting to lay the stuff down. But anyways, all right, let's go.